present to you my capstone project. It's all about the research paper, digitalization, and the transformation of sustainable accounting, enhancing transparency and stakeholder decision making. This is prepared for Dr. Don Enrico Moreno, our professor in research methods at Mapua University, prepared by yours truly, Regina Gipe Nagares, a Master of Business Administration and Master of Business Analytics student. Alright, let's go to the first slide. So, what is the general objective of digitalization and the transformation of sustainable accounting, enhancing transparency and stakeholder decision making? So the general objective of this is examine how this digitalization transforms sustainable accounting and enhances transparency and stakeholder decision making. A specific objective is to analyze the impact of digital tools on sustainable or sustainability reporting, determine the relationship between digitalization and transparency, evaluate how digital reporting system influence stakeholder trust and decisions, identify challenges and the best practices in implementing digital sustainable accounting systems. And I want you to see these research questions as well. Like, these are the questions in my mind during the research. How does digitalization affect sustainable accounting, and what is its impact on transparency? How does it influence stakeholder decision? What challenges are faced in the implementation? So the key highlights is digital technologies are transforming accounting and sustainability reporting. Sustainable accounting integrates environmental, social, and governance, or the ESG metrics, into financial reporting. And tools such as AI, blockchain, big data analytics, cloud and ERP systems enhance accuracy, transparency, and traceability. Digitalization supports decision-making, accountability, and corporate governance. So, I just want to give you a brief of the background of the study. So, the rapid advancement of digital technology has transformed every aspect of organizational operation, particularly in accounting and financial reporting. The emergence of digitalization has not only improved the efficiency of traditional accounting system, but has also redefined how sustainability information is captured, analyzed, and communicated. Sustainable accounting, once viewed as peripheral or voluntary initiative, is now a core strategic tool for ensuring